Here's something that doesn't make sense. You can watch a 2-hour movie in English and understand almost everything. You read articles, you follow podcasts. Maybe some of you studied for years.
But then someone asks you a simple question. So, what do you do? And your mind goes blank. Nothing comes out.
You know the words, so why can't you say them?
That's what we're going to talk about today. And the answer might surprise you because it's very simple.
Right. In most cases, the real problem is much simpler. You're not speaking. You're learning English, but you're not using it. The words go in, but they never come out.
Think about it. How much time do you spend listening to English every week? Watching videos, listening to podcasts, reading?
Probably hours, right? And it's a good thing. But how many minutes, actual minutes, do you spend speaking English out loud?
For most people, almost zero.
The solution is actually really simple. Start narrating your life.
Right, what we call the reporter technique.
You try to speak out loud when you do things at home, or maybe when you're driving. Just talk.
Like a reporter following yourself around.
Yeah, that's it. When you're making coffee, you say, I'm making coffee. I need a cup. Where's the sugar? Just describe what you're doing. Simple idea, right?
The idea is simple, yes, but actually doing it, that's the hard part for most of our listeners.
Why do you think that is?
Because they've never trained their mouth. Think about it. It's like learning piano.
Piano.
You watch tutorials on YouTube. You read about music theory. You study the notes, the chords, the techniques. You do this for months, maybe years.
So far, so good.
Now imagine this. There's a concert, a big concert hall full of people. Everyone is waiting to hear you play. You walk on stage, you sit down at the piano, and
And?
nothing. You can't play. Your fingers don't know where to go. Because here's the thing, you never actually touched the piano. You watched videos about piano, but you never put your fingers on the keys.
So all that knowledge is useless.
Not useless, but incomplete. You learned the theory, but you never trained your hands to actually do it.
And speaking English is exactly the same.
Exactly. You can know thousands of words. You can understand perfect grammar. But if you've never trained your mouth to produce those sounds, when the moment comes to speak, nothing happens.
Your mouth doesn't know what to do because you never practiced.
This is something people don't think about. Speaking is physical. It's not just mental.
So here's what you're going to do today. Right now, if you can. Pick one activity, making coffee, getting dressed, driving to work, and for the next 5 minutes, just describe it out loud, in English.
Just 5.
That's all it takes to start. 5 minutes today. Tomorrow, another 5. In a week, your mouth will already feel different.
And friends, don't worry about making mistakes. Nobody's listening. It's just you training your mouth.
Exactly. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is practice.
We've put exercises in the description to help you practice even more.
Use them. And if this episode helped you, let us know in the comments.
Don't forget to give us a like. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for listening, friends. Now go, start talking.
See you in the next episode. And remember, your English is already inside you. You just need to let it out.
Big hug. Talk to you soon.